Hey there! Are you eager to supercharge your business but not sure where to start? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the unsung hero of marketing. Yes, you guessed it, that is email marketing. This power player works around the clock, turning leads into customers, all while you're chilling or sipping your favorite coffee. You might have heard that for every dollar you spend, you make $36. That's a super old stat at this point, and who knows if it's true, but I'll give you that. Email's ROI, return on investment, is still the highest when compared to all other marketing channels. But how does it all work? What's the secret sauce? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll start from scratch and uncover the magic of email marketing step by step. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Kasey. I run Luck & Co agency where my team and I help 7- and 8-figure e-commerce brands with email and SMS marketing. Over the years, we acquired a ton of experience and made a lot of mistakes, so you don't have to. Watch this video until the end to get all of my tips and tricks for email beginners. Let's start with the basics. What is email marketing and why you should start doing it? So, what is email marketing? Basically, it's just like having a chat with your friend over email, except your friend here is your shopper or customer. It's all about using those emails to build relationships with your customers, keep them engaged, and most importantly, keep them shopping. But it's not about blasting out random emails to every Tom, Kate, and Harry. Nope. It's about crafting meaningful, personalized email content that resonates with your customers' needs and desires. Your mission is to truly understand those needs and desires and to speak your customer's language when talking to them. So if you're ready to turn your emails into sales, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Why email marketing is important. Now, I can hear you're asking, but Kasey, with all this talk of social media, TikTok and stuff, is email marketing still relevant? I'm glad you asked, because the answer is a big resounding yes. Let's be real. If you've been in the social media game, you know the struggle. It's a hustle to grow those followers, right? And don't get me wrong, social media is great, but here's the catch. Ultimately, your profile and your followers there are at the mercy of the social media platform. If Instagram or Facebook decides to take a nap for the day, poof, you can't reach your followers. And heaven forbid, if the platform goes belly up, you just lost all of those followers and potential customers. Scary, right? That's why email marketing is a shining beacon of hope. Your subscriber list is yours. You own it, control it, and it's not hanging by the thread of another platform's whim. Picture this. If Instagram or TikTok went extinct today or got banned in your country, which happens unfortunately, and you lost all 40,000 of your followers, would you be on the verge of a meltdown or would you stay cool like a cucumber because you're secured the email addresses of most of those followers? Despite some naysayers and the email is dead type of movement, email marketing is far from extinct. It's alive, kicking, and it's incredibly profitable. Any thriving business will tell you that they're focusing big time on email. But there's more. It's also a key tool for building that crucial ingredient for any small business, trust. A lot of customers hesitate to purchase from an unknown store due to lack of trust. They're going to think twice before giving their payment details to a brand they've never heard of. Email marketing lets you slide right into their inbox with what feels like personal messages, helping you bridge that gap and earn their trust. So when they're ready to buy, they think of you with a smile and not skepticism. Building the email list. The next question that you might have is how to build an email list. The first method, and one of my favorites, is using website pop-ups. Now, I know what you're thinking. Pop-ups, Kasey, really? Trust me on this one. When done right, pop-ups can be a gold mine for collecting email addresses. Think about it. Someone's browsing your website, digging your products, and bam, a pop-up appears offering a sweet discount or something even more interesting for subscribing to your email list. If that person was already considering a purchase and they can now save a few bucks versus paying full price, it's a win-win. Your customers get a nice little treat and you get their email address to further build that relationship. But here's the kicker. Your pop-up needs to be done right. You want to entice and not annoy. And it's a fine line to walk. But when you nail it, oh boy, does it work wonders. Now, I could dive deep into the world of pop-ups right here, but guess what? I've already done that. Yep, I have a whole video on how to skyrocket your subscribe rate with a pop-up. You can find the link to that video over here and in the description below. The second strategy is offering a lead magnet. Now, what's a lead magnet, you ask? It's simply something valuable that you offer to your visitors in exchange for their email address. For example, this could be a helpful guide related to your products. Third, you can utilize your checkout process. When a customer makes a purchase, ask them if they'd like to receive updates and special offers via email. Many customers will say yes because they already trust you enough to make a purchase. You can even offer them an instant discount on their next purchase for signing up. Lastly, leverage your social media. Use your social media platforms to promote your email list. Share snippets of your newsletters or give a sneak peek of exclusive online-only content to encourage your followers to sign up. If you want to learn more about building an email list, check out my other video with some list building strategies for beginners. Email marketing software. Now that we've covered how to grow your email list, let's talk about where to store and manage those emails. There are a ton of options out there. MailChimp, Privy, OmniSend, SendLane, but my personal favorite for e-commerce brands is Klaviyo. Why Klaviyo, you ask? Simply put, it's very powerful and it's designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. With Klaviyo, you can easily manage your email list, segment your audience, create and send emails, and track your results. And it integrates seamlessly with most e-commerce platforms, making it easy for you to track customer behavior, personalize your emails based on that behavior, and ultimately drive more sales. Now, if you're new to Klaviyo, it might feel a little bit overwhelming at the beginning, especially with all of their latest changes, which made the platform a little bit more technical. But don't worry, because I've got you covered. I have a bunch of tutorials on how to use Klaviyo on my channel, and there are a ton more to come. You can start on Klaviyo for free using my link in the description box below. What to send? You've built your email list, you've chosen your email marketing software, but there's one more piece to the puzzle. What kind of emails do you send to your subscriber list? First, there's the welcome email. This is the very first email that your new subscriber receives. It's your opportunity to make a great first impression, introduce your brand, and set expectations for future emails. Think of it as a friendly handshake to start your relationship. Next, promotional emails. These are the emails where you promote specific products, offer discounts, and announce sales. These emails are perfect for driving revenue, but be careful not to overdo it. You don't want to come off as spammy. Then you've got the cart abandonment emails. These are triggered emails sent to customers who added products to their cart, but they didn't complete their purchase. These emails are a gentle nudge to remind shoppers about their unfinished shopping and can be incredibly effective in recovering lost sales. Now, obviously, this is just scratching the surface. There are so many more types of emails that can help you build those relationships with your customers, drive sales, and grow your business. And guess what? Yes, I have a whole video dedicated to that topic. We've linked it in the corner of the screen, so be sure to check it out. Single emails versus email flows. One thing that is crucial to understand in email marketing is the difference between single emails or broadcasts or campaigns, as some platforms call them, and email flows, and when to use each. Single emails are typically one-off emails. These are the emails that you send for a specific purpose, like announcing a flash sale, promoting a new product, or sending holiday greetings. Single emails are great, but they require manual effort each time that you want to send them. Now, on the other hand, we have email flows or automated email sequences. These are set up once and then automatically sent to subscribers based on certain triggers or behaviors. For example, when someone new subscribes to your email list, they can automatically be sent a welcome email flow. If someone abandons their cart, you can set up an automated series of emails to remind them to complete their purchase. The beauty of email flows is that they're set and forget. Once you set them up, they keep working for you in the background, sending the right message to the right person at the right time without you having to lift a finger. Both single emails and email flows have their place in your email marketing strategy, so you actually do need both. Single emails are perfect for timely promotions or announcement, while email flows allow you to automate parts of your customer journey, saving your time and providing a consistent experience for your subscribers. If you want to know more about setting up effective email flows, guess what? I have a bunch of videos dedicated to building different kinds of email flows in Klaviyo. Make sure to check them out. We've linked them in the corner of the screen for you. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. Now I know that we've covered a lot of information in this video, but please don't feel overwhelmed. Just start with the basics and then grow as you go. To make this journey easier, I've put together a bunch of useful videos in a playlist called Email Marketing for Beginners. You can see it on the screen right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.